Hello. I'm currently moving out of college, so I'm doing a lot of cleaning, a lot of packing up, and a lot of organizing. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me on this journey. This is gonna be the last time I film a video in this dorm, unless I decide to film a video tomorrow, which I don't think so. Tomorrow I have one more final left, and then I move out. Yeah, honestly, it's been super bittersweet. Like, just like constantly, like I'm looking out my window and I like see people like packing their stuff into their cars because some people had their last finals today and yesterday. It's like the weirdest feeling ever.
All right, guys, just got home from break. All my stuff is still here. My closet, everything's still the same, pretty messy, whatever. This is kind of empty, but like my roommate's side is like stripped. So I have my little suitcase right here. I'm gonna start packing some stuff up and bringing it down to my car so that move out day is way easier for me. So this is the update of what my dorm is looking like. This is my little closet area. I took up all of the clothes from up there and I put them down here. I'm ready to wash them all. I'm just gonna put them all in the washing machine because like some of the clothes I haven't wore all semester and they've just been sitting there. So I'm gonna wash them all, get all the dust that might be on it and whatever off of it. It's honestly so messy. Like my bed is like destroyed and I have some shoes on the floor and I have some stuff in there that I'm packing, and yeah, it's not that bad, but we need to make some progress because I literally move out tomorrow. So let's get this laundry going, and then once I'm done with that, I should be good to go. Everything's pretty much packed because like yesterday, let me show you this. I got rid of all the stuff that was in here and this was packed. So yeah, little by little. Organize this by color. So first we're washing black. I'm just putting it into the laundry basket so then when I take it downstairs, it'll be fine. These are some clothes. Some of these clothes I haven't even worn, but I'm just washing it because it's been just like sitting in here waiting for me to wear it one day, and like that can't be sanitary, you know, it's been like 4 months. So I think since I have so much more to sort through and so much more clothes to go through, I'm just gonna bring this down, put it in the washing machine, start the load, and then continue this when I come back up and like continue. I'm sorry for all the dust. It's due to all the clothes that have been sitting in my closet the whole semester, but all right, let's go put the first load in the washing machine. I'm back. So I realized I have a lot less laundry detergent than I anticipated. Okay, I have a lot less than I anticipated. Should have thought that through. But then at the same time, I don't think I have much more to go through. God, I actually have a lot more to go through than I think I do. I think I can finish all of this with how much I have. Oh yeah, I could definitely finish with how much I have. I don't know if you guys can tell how much I have. Oh my god, that was almost a really bad idea. I'm tired of doing this already and I've been doing it for like 5 minutes. Let me play some music, it's so boring. ASMR. Why don't you understand the addiction? I've been on a roll where you've been. Yeah, probably for me. I swear both ways and I'll go out with my friends. I've been like seasons. I'm gonna bring this pile down and we're gonna come back up for the last patch. That wasn't even a correctly said sentence. Please excuse that. I was taking finals all day. So I just got back from the light colored load. I had to split it up into 2 loads, which wasn't that big of a deal, but whatever. And now I have the white colors, which is fine. It's a really small pile. And then I have this final load, which is my comforter and a few like 2 pieces of light colored clothes, which I'm kind of nervous for because I don't know if I'm gonna have enough laundry detergent for it. And then I have this, which is like a bunch of clothes that is just like random miscellaneous colors. I mean, this all goes together. Like these colors go together, but that's like too little of a load. So I'm gonna wait to see if I have some extra laundry detergent, and then I'm gonna wash this stuff at home because it's kind of like delicate. And then after when I come back, I'm gonna put all these away, and then I think I'm done for packing for the day. Maybe tonight I'll do a little bit more, but honestly, I'm kind of tired of it. Okay, so we're gonna bring these 2 loads down, and we're gonna get to this and that, and we're done. I don't know if you guys can see it on the inside. Oh my god, I literally almost have nothing left, so let's just pray.
So something really cute, fun, and fresh just happened to me. I left my laundry detergent downstairs and I only noticed until I got up here. We're gonna put this little load in this little bag. We're gonna bring it down and let's pray that nobody used it, because it's honestly burning up in there. There's so many people using the machines and stuff. Let's pray it's still there though, because that would suck if it wasn't.
Update. No one took my stuff, and it was enough to do all the loads. So I'm a happy girl. So this is the progress right now. I took this off the wall. It was right there, if you guys remember, from my dorm room tour, and my bed is stripped. I have a few things over here, some trash right there that I need to throw out. And I also have a few boxes right here. This is like my roommate's side, which you guys never got to see this side, so I'm gonna show you real quick. This is what my roommate's side looked like, literally identical to my side. I'm in the process of putting the boxes in this big crate thing, which is so cool because it fits through everything. That little bag is full of clean clothes. As you guys saw earlier, like I cleaned my entire like closet, and I like have it here, so that's awesome. I need to go ahead and silver the floor. It's not gonna take me that long. I can fit everything in here. It's not that much stuff to move out, and I did a lot of moving out already. So yeah, that's literally it. So crazy that I'm moving out already. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna put these boxes in here, and that's what we're doing. Alright, time to bring this down. This is very extra. Oh my god. So guys, it has been a few days since I moved out. Move out day wasn't that stressful. It's just that I was feeling so sick and I didn't really know I was sick. The day before I was kind of like sneezing a lot. Like the night before I was sneezing a lot, I was coughing a lot, and I was like, what's going on? But then the next day I really noticed. I was like, wow, yeah, I'm sick. Like I had a final exam at 10:30 or 11 o'clock in the morning, I'm sorry. And I literally slept till like 10:30. I took like the quickest shower of life, got ready super fast, and left my door just to take the test. I was like super ready for the test and everything, so I didn't really feel like that stressed or anything. I just wanted to get it over with and wanted to go home, but I had to pack up so much. And then when I came home from my test, I took maybe a 3.5-hour nap, and which I didn't show in the vlog, obviously, because I was sleeping. Duh. After my 3.5-hour nap that I took after I was done with my last final and I was ready to move out, I went ahead and headed over to get food. Not really because I was all that hungry. I was gonna take it to go anyway, but I really wanted to say bye to the lady that served my lunch and dinner sometimes and breakfast sometimes every day. Like she mostly made my sandwiches and she made them so good, and she's honestly amazing. So I said bye to her. I gave her hugs. Like, yeah, she's so cute. She's so cute. I love her. I went ahead and what did I do? Oh yeah, I helped my sweet mate Annalise move out. She moved out.
that was all Gucci. And then I started packing up to move out. And then after that, like I filmed everything. Like you guys saw this, but I'm just like letting you know the little time gaps in between. But yeah, move out day wasn't that stressful. I took a lot of time to like move out prior. So as you guys saw in the vlog clips, I wanted to make sure that move out day was as least stressful as possible, and it really wasn't that stressful. The only thing that was stressful about it was that I wasn't feeling good and I just wanted to take a nap. After what you guys saw in the clips, we were on our way home, and when I came home, I watched a movie and fell asleep. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, of course. Why would you not, you know? Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I also have a music channel, Music by Alli 7. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Follow me on social media, Instagram, Twitter, if you guys want to as well. And I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!